Are you thinking about buying your first designer handbag, but feeling overwhelmed by all the choices out there? With so many brands, trends, and price tags, how do you know which bag is truly worth your hard-earned money? You're not alone. Investing in your first luxury bag is exciting, but it can also be intimidating. You want something that looks beautiful now and stays relevant for years, not a trendy piece you'll regret in a season. In today's video, I'll guide you through 5 classic designer bags that never go out of style. Bags that hold their value, fit seamlessly into your wardrobe, and make you feel confident every time you wear them. I'll also share some insider tips that will help you make the smartest choice for your first investment piece. Let's dive in. Chanel Classic Flap. The Chanel Classic Flap is the bag that defines timeless elegance. Introduced in 1955 by Coco Chanel herself, it revolutionized women's fashion by freeing up their hands with a shoulder strap. A big deal back then. Karl Lagerfeld later modernized it with the iconic double CC lock we all know and love. Why is this the perfect first designer bag? Because it's incredibly versatile. Pair it with jeans and a blazer for a casual chic vibe, or with a cocktail dress for ultimate glam. You can take it from a brunch with friends straight to a night out, and it will never feel out of place. Yes, it's pricey. Expect to pay at least $9,000 brand new. But the resale value is amazing. Some even increase in value over time, especially limited editions or rare colors. Investing in a classic flap can feel like putting money in a savings account that's way more fun to carry. Pro tip: go for caviar leather if you want durability and scratch resistance, or lambskin if you crave the soft, buttery luxury. Fun fact: each classic flap takes around 15 hours to craft in Chanel's ateliers. The meticulous attention to detail is part of what makes this bag so special. Even the chain strap is hand-assembled, adding to its timeless quality. The Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 or 30. The Speedy bag is arguably the most iconic Louis Vuitton handbag ever made. Originally designed in 1930 as a compact version of the Keepall, it was created at the request of none other than Audrey Hepburn, who wanted a smaller, more practical LV bag. The Speedy 25 or 30 in monogram canvas is lightweight, spacious, and instantly recognizable. Throw it on your arm and you're giving major Parisian vibes. It's one of those bags that instantly elevates your outfit, even if you're just wearing jeans and a tee. The price is relatively accessible, around $200 euros and $600 depending on size and material, and the bag is super durable. The coated canvas is practically indestructible, and you'll see vintage Speedies from the 80s still looking fabulous today. Heads up, the vachetta leather handles will darken over time. It's part of the charm and gives your bag character. Extra tip: if you want extra functionality, go for the Speedy bandolier version. It comes with a strap for crossbody wear, perfect for city life. Dior Lady Dior. The Lady Dior became world famous in the 90s when Princess Diana started wearing it after receiving it as a gift from the First Lady of France. Dior renamed the bag in her honor, and the rest is history. The signature canage stitching is inspired by the Napoleon III chairs used in Dior's first fashion shows. It's a subtle nod to the brand's heritage. The dangling Dior charms give the bag a playful yet elegant touch. The Lady Dior has a structured silhouette that instantly adds sophistication to any look. Perfect if you love a polished feminine look or adore Parisian chic. It comes in various sizes, but the medium is the safest bet for daily use. The Lady Dior looks stunning handheld, but many versions now include a strap for shoulder or crossbody wear. Price-wise, you're looking at around $5,000 for a new Lady Dior. Fun fact: in addition to classic colors, Dior releases bags with stunning prints and artistic limited editions that are true collector's pieces, featuring collaborations with contemporary artists and bold patterns. These limited editions can become incredibly valuable over time. Hermès Evelyne TPM. Can your first designer bag be Hermès? Absolutely. The Evelyne is the most casual model in the Hermès family and was originally designed in 1978 as a practical bag for horse groomers. The perforated H allowed brushes to air out. Today, the TPM, Très Petit Modèle, is a cute crossbody that's both practical and stylish. Its compact size is perfect for running errands or exploring the city without feeling weighed down. With its iconic H perforation on the front and canvas shoulder strap, you get discreet luxury. No loud logos, but pure Hermès quality. The adjustable strap makes it easy to wear at your preferred length, adding to its versatility. A new Evelyne costs around $1,800 to $2,200, but you can often find good deals pre-loved. If you're new to Hermès, the Evelyne is an amazing way to start your collection without the intimidating price or waitlist of a Birkin or Kelly. The Evelyne is perfect if you want understated chic with that exclusive Hermès feel. Fun fact, unlike the Birkin or Kelly, the Evelyne doesn't require years on a waiting list. You can sometimes walk into a boutique and score one. Some Hermès fans even say the Evelyne is the best-kept secret in the brand's lineup. Gucci Jackie, 1961. The Jackie bag made a huge comeback when Gucci relaunched it in 2020. It's a bag with serious history. It was named after Jackie Kennedy, who carried it everywhere in the 60s and 70s, cementing its status as an icon. The Jackie is compact, features the recognizable piston closure, and comes in countless colors and materials, everything from GG canvas to vibrant patent leather. Its curved silhouette hugs the body perfectly, making it both comfortable and flattering to wear. The price ranges from $2,000 or $3,000 new, depending on the version. Whether you love neutral tones or bold pops of color, there's a Jackie for every taste and personality. The best part? You can carry it as a shoulder bag or crossbody thanks to the removable long strap, multifunctional and iconic. Fun fact, Gucci has released versions of the Jackie in collaboration with artists and designers, adding a playful twist to the classic silhouette. Some special editions are highly sought after by collectors around the world. These 5 bags all have one thing in common. They transcend trends and stay relevant season after season. Choosing one of these classics means investing not just in your style, but in a piece that will last for years, and may even go up in value over time. Buying your first designer bag should feel empowering, and these timeless icons make sure you'll always feel confident and chic. Are you ready to buy your first designer bag, but still feeling unsure? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help you pick the perfect one. Don't forget to subscribe for more designer bag tips, styling advice, and resale guides. And remember, you deserve that first bag, girl.